The sub-base attaches to the router's base. It provides a smooth surface to guide the router on. The center hole has a shoulder to accept guide bushings. The 4 outer holes are windows so you can see the workpiece you are routing. The most common issue with the sub-base is accidental damage caused by dropping the router. It can also be cracked if the mounting screws are over-tightened. Replacing the sub-base is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The sub-base is secured to the router with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. To install the new sub-base, I align it with the holes on the base and secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new sub-base on your Porter cable router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.